Today's a great moment. We're bringing in Bill Graham from Phresh Filters. He is by far one of the greatest industry leaders we've had in a long, long time. He does a lot of product development, does a lot of touring.
Carlos, you flatter me.
The circuit touring. He's one of my mentors in this industry. Bill, thank you for coming out and sharing some time with us.
My pleasure.
What will you be talking about today specifically? What product?
I want to show you the Phresh carbon filter.
Okay.
You know, of course, we have a series of products in the catalog, but we'll keep it straight to the filters.
Okay.
You guys are fantastic sellers and promoters of the carbon, and have been for years. We've been distributed since 2003 and established the market of the small, long-lasting granular carbon filters at half the size, half the weight, and at this point we're more competitive on pricing. You know, here's a filter that can do over 600 CFM of airflow for less than $200. So, you know, no need to lug around great big heavy filters anymore. And I'm probably not telling your watchers anything they don't know, because when you move around the country, you don't see the big heavy filters that much anymore. If you are a buyer or a user of, you know, a great big heavy filter, you know, do a little bit of online research, watch the rest of this video, ask your retail store about it, because this is sort of the new class of filters based on a high absorption granular carbon, and we are establish the market and are going to try to, you know, keep a leading position by providing the highest quality carbon for the odor absorption we're trying to do in the garden. First bunch of filters coming around, a lot of them came from companies in Holland, were based on a pellet of carbon that was kind of like, it was an extrusion, like pasta being made from a carbon dust, either a coal or a wood source, but it was going to have a specific density and absorption and everything else, specific properties, so you can make the exact same pellet from whatever country you were in and whatever materials you had. It was called spec carbon because it was specified to certain characteristics, which did a great job, no problem. I'm never saying that a big filter does not do the job it's supposed to, but for a 12 to 16 month filter, they are massive, and unfortunately the carbon is underused for odor absorption. You may finish those filters and still have 82 to 87% virgin carbon in that filter, never going to touch odor.